Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Nissan Kicks with the physical key. This is a vital skill, especially if your key fob battery dies unexpectedly. We'll cover the straightforward process to get your vehicle running smoothly, ensuring you're never stranded. This method is designed for reliability and ease of use, taking just a few moments to complete. Let's dive into the first step to regain control of your ride. First, you'll need to access your Nissan Kicks. Your intelligent key fob contains a hidden mechanical key. Simply press the small release button on the back of the fob and pull out the metal key. Once you have the mechanical key, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Turn the key clockwise to unlock the door, and you can now enter your vehicle. This ensures entry even with a dead fob battery. Now, to start the engine, place your intelligent key fob directly against the Start/Stop button on the dashboard. Even with a dead fob battery, the vehicle's system can read the key's transponder when it's in close proximity. While holding the fob against the button, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. Then, push the Start/Stop button. Your Nissan Kicks engine should now start, allowing you to drive. After successfully starting your Nissan Kicks, it's crucial to replace your key fob battery as soon as possible. Most Nissan Kicks key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is widely available. Consider keeping a spare battery in your glove compartment for future emergencies. This specific starting procedure is designed as the reliable backup when your key fob's battery is completely drained, ensuring you're always prepared.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.